we doing today?
We're doing a intake install.
Oh, what brand is this?
Roto Fab.
Roto Fab. I know it says D-Fab. Intake. Oh no, I see it. No, it's sticker thing. Oh my god. Look at this. Golly, it's bigger than me. What's this, 4 inches? I'm only 2. God damn, this is a big ass boy, bro.
Here's the fucking tube.
Golly, so short. It curved like me too. Cause I'm fruity.
Fruity.
Like on me tea. God, whoa.
Either, so that's good.
Bro, that's like the same size as the Hellcat one.
Oh, the intake's already in here.
Oh shit. Here. Bet. So today we're installing RotoFab intakes for the 5th gen. For the 6th gen. Whoops. Time we did was the MRP exhaust. The exhaust sounds good real good from the last video. But now we're doing an intake. So after this, I think we're gonna get a few more mods. Then we'll be ready to tune for tune day. It's been like a couple months since the last video. Dude, I have not even edited other short videos. Ah, it's not your typical circle one. It's your ovo, not ovo. I don't know. Trapezoid, Megazord.
This box is way bigger than this stuff.
I know. They said fuck your stock one.
Swear to God.
Oh me. Alright. So we're gonna start with the basics. We're gonna be disconnecting the MAF first. Then we're gonna start with the tube, the elbow piece, then we'll get to the box last. So let me get my tools ready and we'll start on it. Alright, first thing first, I disconnected the MAF, 2 screws. It's like a weird star shape that I can't think of, like German tools use. Got that one off, 2 screws. In instructions it says do not reuse the stock screws, so we can put it back in the stock one after. Then over here, get pliers, unclamp this. While you clamp it, pull it apart. Lose the 2 hose clamps, and now we're gonna pull it apart. So after you disconnect the elbow piece, I don't know where the mom put it, but there's a tube underneath it. You pull it off. It was easy, just tug and pull like yourself at night. And all you do is pull this one up, pops up, pull this clip. This becomes loose because it's just a sound tube, and we will have to delete the sound tube. Now the intake is loose, now we should be able to pull it off. There's no tabs on it, just pull up and make sure you don't lose the rubber grommets. We lost one.
God damn it.
One's right there. Should be at the bottom. Huh. Where'd you go, SpongeBob?
Oh, right here.
Oh, okay. All right. Now we will.
Yeah, those are big stones.
Golly, I don't think I have anything that big. That's what she said. God damn, it's okay. I'm gonna find it. All right, the sound tube follow along. Start from the front, goes back down. These pulled up, they're just clips. There's 2 of them. Then you go to the very back. Should be a 10 mil. Back there's 2 spots. Then I gotta figure out if it came with something to cover the hole, but yeah. Got the tube piece off, so you could disconnect the back of it. So get the whole damn thing off. Oh, right here. Just pull it off. It just squeezes back on like that. So there's 2 of them. Get those off. Now there's a 10 mil for that hole. It's just 1 bolt, so you just pull it out. Now there's a cover tube right here. Now I have to rescrew it with we use the same bolt to screw it back on. So this thing's super sturdy and it's gonna be sealed off pretty tight. Tube, so this rubber piece right here, you can see, you just push on it like that. So anyways, you sit the front one down first, then you push the back in, it'll kind of like tuck up. Then after that, stick your hand under here. You should be able to see this part move right here. Yeah, see that? You can slide your finger all the way across to make the seal go over. The bottom is flat, so the bottom is just flat like that. The top one goes over, or kind of like hugs over a little gap. Now we got that part done. The part is sealed off in the back. The little black piece right there. Now we're gonna get the. Holy shit, that's kind of heavy. All right. Oh yeah, so that piece came with a sealer. That's the little black piece. Now we're gonna get the intake piping on. Yeah. Gasket goes right here.
How much saran wrap, bro?
Oh my god, they want it not to scratch. All right, so got the elbow piece. Twist this hose on, and Damon says it's supposed to be angled like that. See the line, and there's a little hose thread to connect to this part and the bottom of the baffle.
Does it matter which one?
Nah, it's the same size. All the way. Oh yeah. Alright, now we're gonna figure out the coupling. Yeah, one mistake so far. This bracket that goes on it, it'll be a lot easier taking the air box out first, then putting the bracket on with the MAF housing. Yeah, I lined it up. Now we're gonna slide it back on there and redo that thing what I did in the very beginning. We're tired. Okay, so now we're gonna get it on. All right, it is complete. So put the elbow. I don't know, left off was over here with the bracket. Slide the intake on. Put the TPMS. You're good. Now we're about to start. Sucking. Here's what it sounds after warm up. Yeah. Oh shit. Like fuck yeah. So we've been playing with the throttle a little bit. We feel like it's like a little bit more jumpy, a little bit more torquey. Oh, go ahead on car. Going to La Mexico. It does feel like it's going more.
Yeah.
We're not trying to play placebo, that's why. The exhaust is different. The exhaust is cool.
Yeah.
That shit is noise.
Yeah. But this one's kind of like, you gotta really feel it.
Yeah. So you gotta feel it like Mr. Krabs, you know? I think it is low key.
It's like it's very slight.
Yeah, it's like a slight. It's not
really pay attention to it, I guess.
like from the last time I've been in a car. It feels like it's like when you on it, it feels like it's like going.
Yeah. We'll see with this one. 'Cause I don't know.
Okay, I can't lie. It's pushing me more back in my seat.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it is working.
We'll try to track just for like this one little strip.
Yeah, we can go all around or whatever you want. You can feel more of it. Oh shit! Okay, I think it does work, bro. And they don't. Okay, first gear did not feel like that last time, bro.
I
Shit.
think it was kind of like warming up or something.
I think so. Oh shit. Bitch! Yes. Hey, tell them the rhythm.
Oh,
No, no.
I think
Crank, man.
watch it with this.